17 best cheap places to stay in Jamaica. When you research cheap places to stay in Jamaica, all you will find are articles recommending hotels for $100 and higher per night. I am not sure what is their definition of cheap, but it sure is not cheap enough for me. That's why I decided to put together my own list of cheap places to stay in Jamaica for people who can only afford places in the $20 to $70 range. All hotels listed here are basic, and most of them do not have running hot water, and you maybe have to pay an extra $10 for an AC room. This is the real Jamaica. If you are looking for luxury resorts, click the link on the right side of the top of your screen now to see the most luxurious hotels in Jamaica. If you are still here, respect. I hope this list will help reduce your accommodation costs as much as possible on the island of One Love. If you already know where in Jamaica you're heading, click the link above to see a list of attractions in Jamaica. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, and if it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. And if you like this video, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. With that said, let's move right along. Number 17. The Dream Hostel. The Dream Hostel is a family-run hostel, and the owner, Ingrid, will do her best to make sure you enjoy your stay there. This is located in a middle-class neighborhood in Montego Bay and only a 3-minute drive from the beaches and resorts. There is a fully equipped kitchen available for guests, as well as free Wi-Fi and a hangout lounge. Rooms start at $35 US per night. Number 16. The Bird's Nest. The Bird's Nest is located in the Iron Shore Resort Estate, about 10 minutes from the Montego Bay Airport. The hotel has a beautiful pool overlooking the ocean, a shared kitchen, free Wi-Fi, and it's close to the attractions and beaches. A bed in a 6-bed dormitory costs $20 US. This is the cheapest for solo travelers in Montego Bay. Number 15. The Anchorage Villa. Anchorage Villa is situated in the hills of Montego Bay, with a breathtaking view of the turquoise blue Caribbean Sea. It is only a few minutes drive from Montego Bay Airport. All rooms come equipped with a flat-screen television, and some even have a private terrace or patio. In addition, guests have access to an outdoor pool, a barbecue area, free Wi-Fi, and a free shuttle service. Room starts at $35 US per night. Number 14. The TMT Guest House. TMT Guest House is located on West End in Negril, just a short walk from Rick's Cafe, the supermarket, and the local restaurants. The guest house is run by Tony and his sister Tatiana, who does everything they can to make your day in Jamaica a memorable experience. They offer tours to nearby attractions and rent out bicycles and snorkeling gear to their guests for free. Rooms start at $25 per night. Number 13. Villa La Cage. Villa La Cage is a budget hotel located just off the cliffs of Negril. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, a free shuttle service to the beach, an outdoor pool, and an on-site restaurant that serves international as well as local dishes. The staff here is very friendly, and they periodically check with you to make sure you have everything you need. Rooms start at $25 per night. Number 12. The Judy House. The Judy House is just a 10-minute walk from the beach and is surrounded by a beautiful, lush green garden. The backpacker rooms come with a shared bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and access to the garden, which has a large deck with table and the chairs. A bed in a shared 3-bed dormitory costs $20 per night. A private single room is $25 per night, and a private double room costs $40 per night. Number 11. Welcoming Vibes Hotel. Welcoming Vibes Hotel is a Jamaican-owned establishment within walking distance of the beaches in Treasure Beach. There is a fully equipped kitchen on site, as well as a shared lounge and a game room. Private rooms start at $39 per night. Number 10. The Southview Hotel. The Southview Hotel is located in the hills of Treasure Beach and is a 5-minute taxi drive or 30-minute walk from the beaches. Although the hotel is not directly on the beach, I could still recommend you stay here because simply the walk to and from the hotel is absolutely beautiful. At times you feel like you are in an African savanna instead of in the Caribbean. Plus you get to enjoy a stunning view of the mountainous farmland all the way to the ocean. The hotel has 2 pools, many fruit trees, a bar, a restaurant where local dishes are prepared to order. Rooms start at $35 per night. Number 9. The Waikiki Guest House. The Waikiki Guest House is directly situated on the beach, and guests get to enjoy direct access to the crystal clear water. The guest house offers free Wi-Fi, a sun terrace, and a restaurant with affordable meal options. All rooms come with a private bathroom, and some even have a small balcony or patio. Rooms start at $40 per night. Number 8. The Inn at Great Bay. The Inn at Great Bay is also situated on the beach. It features guest rooms with ocean views, a garden with barbecue facilities, and free Wi-Fi. A private single room costs $20 per night, and a double room costs $35 per night. Both prices include breakfast. If you are traveling solo, this is a good deal. However, if you are a couple, you might want to look at one of the other deals. Number 7. The Durham. The Durham is located in a safer, more upscale area of Kingston. It's within walking distance of shopping malls, supermarkets, restaurants, and the Bob Marley Museum. At the property, you will find a bar, shared lounge, and fully equipped kitchen. Laundry service is provided for an additional fee. A bed in a dormitory tent costs $11 per person per night, while a private room with a shared bath costs $20 per night. Number 6. Reggae Austell. This reggae-inspired hostel is conveniently located in the center of Kingston, just a 10-minute walk from the transportation hub, Halfway Tree. The hostel features a small pool and bar in the courtyard, a shared kitchen and a computer in the main lounge. A bed in a 6-bed dormitory costs $20 and a private double room costs $60. Number 5. The Garden House. The Garden House is located within the rainforest and a short walk from Port Antonio town center. The guest house features a peaceful garden, a shared kitchen, and free Wi-Fi. If you don't feel like cooking or going out to eat, you can ask the owner, Rastaman Rev, to prepare you one of his delicious ital meals at a reasonable price. Room prices start at $20 per one person and $35 for 2 persons. Number 4. Mungo Ridge. Mungo Ridge is located in the foothills of the Blue Mountains, and it overlooks the market town of Port Antonio. It is within walking distance of public transportation, the beach, and the produce and craft markets. All cottages are secluded amongst banana, mango, and coconut trees, and come with small kitchen, bathroom, and free Wi-Fi. Mungo Ridge is a true gem in Port Antonio, and the owner Michael is one of the most hospitable persons you will ever meet. He will do his best to make your stay here as pleasant as possible. Cottages start at $50 per night, but if you stay longer and Michael isn't overbooked, I am sure he'll give you a deal. Number 3. Korte Hotel. This cute little hotel is located near the market in Port Antonio and a short drive from the popular tourist attractions like the Blue Lagoon, Boston Bay, and Winifred Beach. Guests have 24-hour access to a spacious kitchen, a large lounge, a computer with internet, and 2 outdoor seating areas. The owner, Stefano, takes great care of his guests, and for a small fee, he will prepare you a tasty meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or show you around Port Antonio. A bed in a 6-bed dormitory costs $20, and a private double room costs $45 per night. Number 2. Tina's Guest House. Tina's Guest House is on the ocean front in St. Mary, a 15-minute drive from Ocheria's town center. All rooms here come equipped with a TV, a private bathroom, and of course, free Wi-Fi. There is also a shared kitchen on the premises for people who like to cook their own meals. Private double rooms start at $30 per night. Number 1. The Reggae Hostel, Ocheria's. The Reggae Hostel is situated right next to the main beach in Ocheria's, and within walking distance of Turtle River Park, plenty of restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. Rooms here start at $20 per night. Do you know of any cheap places to stay in Jamaica that are not listed here? If so, feel free to share in the comments below. And until then, remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica and click the notification icon so you will always receive updates. I am Alex. Bless.